Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Today I'm with Nameless, and we are going over to Calverton today because Alan invited us to go. And guess what we're running into on the highway? The three of us are headed to the Walmart in Center Reach, just to see if those 14 boxes we left yesterday were still there. Since we're going to Calverton anyway, we may as well stop by because it's sort of on the way, you know? We're not on any schedule. We can do whenever we want, whenever we want. So just casually stroll in there, see if we can score some more 22 long rifle. So here we are at the Center Reach oh, dude, they have it. They have it. So definitely worth the trip here to Center Reach Walmart on the way to Calverton. They had 9 boxes left. Alan, Nameless, and myself. Alan and I just got 3 each, okay? And Alan's paying for his right now. And then I just sent Nameless in there to get his last 3. So we cleaned them out today, hopefully. There was a guy right after Alan. I don't know if it was for ammo or not. I hope not, because Nameless just went in there and hope they don't get into a fight. All right, here we are, Calverton. This is my 4th trip. Good morning. Yep, rifle please. Yep, thank you. Okay, here we are. It's a Monday, and it's like only about 10:30 or so, and we never had to wait. Just drove right in. As you can see, there's not a lot of people here at the pistol range, so we decided to do pistol first. There's Alan, and over here the rifle range is also not too busy. It is absolutely a beautiful day today for shooting. It's about 75 degrees. It's almost like chilly, if you can believe it. So there's only like 15 cars here. So maybe 20, 30 people at the rifle. There's only about 7 or 8 people here at the pistol range. So we're gonna shoot our 22 long rifle today over here, and then I'm gonna go and shoot my budget build AR-15, the one that has cycling issues. But today I'm gonna try something different. I had cycling issues, maybe 1 stovepipe, couple of double jams last time I shot it, and so I thought my rifle was undergassed, but then I watched a couple videos on it could be overgassed because you have to look at the direction of your casing. If you're shooting straight and your shells get ejected, you know, right there between 2 and 3:30, that's perfect. If it's like around 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock, that means it's overgassed. And if it's shooting around 4:30, then it's undergassed. I was watching videos of my outing with that rifle last time, and the majority of my casings were going around the 3:30 area, so it's neither overgassed or undergassed. So I've got 2 Hera mags, 1 Duramag, 1 PMag, and a couple of new hex mags that I'm gonna try. I also have Wolf 223. I have some Tula steel case, and I have some PMC brass, which is really nice. I'm going to test it all to see if it cycles correctly. But first, we're going to shoot out some 22 long rifle today, just to warm up, and then we'll come over to the rifle range later and test out my AR. But first, I'm going to try a porta potty. That's not bad. I've been in worse. So I've got my 22 LR Smith & Wesson 1522 with 3 mags here. My boy Nameless has got his spotter scope today, which is great because we didn't have it last time. And he's got his AR with that's a dedicated 22 bolt in there. He actually put his you put your fin grip back on here.
I did. I didn't like the
not the Juggernaut, the Resurgent. No, the Resurgent was good.
I didn't like it.
But you like the Resurgent one.
Oh no, not the Resurgent. The other one.
Strike Industry? No.
I forget what it's called, but I didn't like the way that felt.
All right, we're gonna put up our targets now. Where's mine?
That's good. Ready to clear?
Okay, we're at a break, so we're walking over to put up our targets. Like I said, beautiful day. Hey, so I'm getting ready to shoot my first rounds of my M&P 1522. I've got some Aguila in here, okay, 38 grain, I believe. And when I deplete these, I'm gonna open up a box of the stuff that I just got this morning. We're gonna try it. Some commenters actually said something about something to do with the inconsistency of the primer or something like that. I don't know, but we'll see how they go, you know. Okay, here we go. Oh, I was shooting at Allen's. My bolt held open last round. Remember last time that I came, my bolt didn't hold open because my mag had those silly clips on there that wouldn't allow this part to go all the way up. This part here, this little tab, to go all the way up. It was because it had the reload buttons there, it held it down like there and it missed the bolt. But then I took the button off and now the clip goes all the way up and it holds the bolt hole open. So I'm very happy now. However, it's harder to load now. It's harder to load this magazine. If any of you guys have the 10 round Smith & Wesson 1522 mags out there, I can't find them anywhere. Ever since I got this rifle, I was only able to score 3 mags, and that's all I have. I've been looking for like 5-6 months, and everybody is out of stock on these. 10 round. If you guys can get these or want to sell me yours, I'd be happy to pay for them. Let me know. I could use more mags if you guys have them.
Just high.
Alan's shooting his PC9. Very accurate.
Seems like you guys still have to come down.
Okay, so now I've depleted what I had in the 3 mags.
Okay.
So now I'm going to open up the case, the brick that I got today for $18.73. 325 rounds. This is 5 cents.
Just left.
You know,
Way left.
not as smooth as
Yeah.
the Aguila, and also I can turn the bullet on it. It's loose. It was only that one.
Dead on.
Yeah, it was only this one. This one's kind of loose.
Dead on.
No, it's okay.
Good.
So, it looks good.
Okay, that's good.
Should I count it?
It's totally different in real world. Not that I've been in a real world shootout, but when I've done shooting, when your adrenaline's pumping, your heart rate's
U-22
up.
long rifle, federal, 40 grain. I'm trying this for the first
Basically,
time.
all I want is stand up and hitting the paper.
Right. Just sit there and
No.
you want to raise it, shoot.
Exactly. Right away.
Yeah. You want to within 2 seconds. Hey, start pumping around.
Yep.
And you want to double.
Okay, so you got a good grouping right next to it, just to the left of it. Go, come and see.
I just adjusted a little bit to the right.
Henry,
Yeah.
go for the second one from the bottom.
Second one from the bottom.
Yep.
You're gonna watch me?
Yeah. And
Second.
do 3 shots and then stop.
Okay. Second one from the bottom. Here we go.
You're on. Bro,
Yeah?
dead on.
Really?
Yeah.
Bet. Thank you. Okay, we're on our second break, and we're just checking out Alan. You're right on it there, bro.
Yeah. This is my
22.
22 holding it with the inexpensive red dot.
Wow,
All right, guys.
that's tight.
Let's get back.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Killed it right in the heart. Oh, did you need more of this?
I'll use it at the...
This is me, and this was my first mag, my second mag. This was standing up, obviously very erratic from standing up. This was me trying to sight it in with the new rounds, and then once I told my friend to spot me with his spotter scope, he told me to move the thing to the right a little bit, which I did, and boom, 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 right there. So that's perfect now. This is nameless.
Nice trigger, too.
Wow.
You got a couple in the center already. Little right. Little left. 9.
Okay, there is a golf ball sitting on a I know you guys can't see it. There's a golf ball sitting right on a shotgun shell. I'm going to try to hit it.
Six shots to make it.
Yeah!
Now you hit the shell.
Yeah, you actually hit the shot, the shell on the bottom.
Are you sure?
I'm looking at it.
Positive.
Well, I'm going to hit the ball now.
Hi.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Coming back.
Oh, now I can't see it though.
Still use
I
it.
can.
You can?
Yeah.
It's behind a pole.
Yep.
Oh,
I
I
see
can
it.
get to it.
Here, you get it. If you see it, get it.
Oh, I'm gonna get it.
Get it.
Let's get at it.
Ooh. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's rolling down. I hit it.
That's three, baby.
Oh, that was too much fun. There's a Gatorade bottle right there. Pew! 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 Oh, damn it! Stovepipe!
I'll stand up and do it.
Standing up and doing it!
When are you gonna practice? No, really, like, put it, get a good stance, man. You're putting it on the front. There you go. Yeah,
Lay it on me! Skeet shooting, here we come! Okay, we're at the rifle range now. And we're at the 50, 100, and way over there is the 200. Alan's over here with his AR. There's my newly built R15. I've got 3 new hex mags. One's loaded with PMC. 2's loaded with PMC. This is Tula ammo. I've got a P mag with some PMC. I've got this Hera mag with some 5.56 NATO. This is Wolf, and this is Wolf on in a Duramag. So I want to try these. Okay, Hera mag, 5 rounds, Wolf 223 steel case. I'm gonna try it, see if it cycles.
Okay, so that was fun.
Hey, very first time, Hera mag, 5 rounds of steel case, 223, and for the very first time, held the last round bolt open. I've never had the bolt kept open, so this is great. 0 cycling issues, used steel case, and it held the bolt open. Stoked, that's awesome. Let's try another mag. Next, 5 rounds, Tula ammo, 223, steel case, and a 1030 Duramag.
meant for it.
First time trying Duramag too.
rod in it, they don't like the penetration. Not the camera you were seeing.
So did it what?
I just did a whole. But I don't have mags. It's a fixed mag.
5 rounds, no problem. Steel case, bolt open, Duramax. Sweet. Okay, true test. Hex mag, Tula ammo, 5 rounds. This is what was giving me cycling issues last time. These are newer. I just bought 2 new ones on sale from Labor Day. I sent the 3 that I had before back to Opta Planet. So these are from, I forget, but we'll try the new ones. No problem. Incredible.
Which one you going for?
Okay, I'm pretty stoked. I went through 5 rounds each on 3 different types of mags with 3 different types of ammo, and I haven't had a jam yet, so I'm pretty stoked. Hey, you got really close to my finger there, pal. Mira, aquí, uno. Ahí. Gracias.
Oh my god.
Second Heramag, 5.56 millimeter brass. We'll try this, 5 rounds. Second perfectly.
Get out of this thing, but
Okay, we're here 3 hours already. We got here at 10:30. It's now 1:30, almost 2. We got to get out of here, otherwise we're not going to get out of here. Anyway, I lent Alan my bolt carrier group because we were troubleshooting. So now I don't have a bolt carrier. It's stuck in his gun and won't come out. So I'm trying my friend Nameless's nickel boron BCG. I'm trying it for the first time in here. Thank you. We'll try the PMC 223. I don't really want to use it, but try it.
Hold the gun. I'm going to try wiggling on this side. The bolt won't.
Oh, and this doesn't work right now.
We'll go for a headshot.
I should be able to
Good over there. Got a fire going on over there because somebody used a tracer round. See that? It's a fire over there. Cool. So I didn't have any problems with my rifle today. I'm very stoked. It was the hex mags the entire time. Trying 3 or 4 different types of mags, using all different kinds of ammunition. I didn't have one jam today, so I'm very pleased. And it's sighted in very well. I'm very pleased. Good day, good day. I'm done with troubleshooting mine. It's neither overgassed or undergassed or a buffer tube or anything like that. It was 3 defective hex mags is what it was. Anyway, we've been here 4 hours now. That's just about enough fun for the day. Good day. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
AR-15, 11.5 inch, compensated with an iron bonded bolt carrier, Trigicon AccuPoint with 1.6 magnification.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowers and blowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.